Yes, morning, Srushti, Ayushi, and Sapna. Yes, Ayushi, please inform your group members to join as soon as possible so we can start our presentation on time. These are the names of first group: Ayushi, Shrushti, Nishita, Dhruvi, Neet, Joy, Anastasia, and Mehul. Please inform your group mates to join the class. And who is going to lead the presentation? Ayushi, are you going to lead it?
Sir,
Sir,
Nishita is
Nishita
going to
is going to
present.
present. Okay. So over to you, Nishita. Please make it possible as soon as possible. Nishita, please make it fast. We are running late already.
So we are just three only present right now.
या नॉट एन इशू. आप जितने भी प्रेजेंट हो आप स्टार्ट कर दो. Those who are absent, they will get marked as absent.
Okay, sir. Sir, is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, sir. Good morning, sir, and good morning, all of you. So today we are going to present on Walmart SWOT
Please
analysis
turn on
of
your
both of
video.
the companies.
Yeah, those who are going to present, please, you have to turn on your video without fail.
Okay, sir. Sir, can I start now?
Yeah, please continue.
Yeah. So first we'll go for the introduction of a Unilever. Unilever operates nearly 1 in 190 countries around the world and has been a traditional paragon of excellence and quality in the fast-moving consumer goods sectors. We all know that Unilever has so many brands under it. It has 400 brands and a turnover of 51 billion euros and 13 brands with a sales of overall 1 billion euros. The company has maintained its ranking in Fortune 500 since last 10 years and still it will be able to maintain the same. The company derives its competitive advantage from its global footprint and its track record of enhancing value for the consumers around the world. Also in India, we know Unilever as an Hindustan Unilever. Even in the current recessionary environment, it has managed to grow at a respectable pace through, as we shall discuss later. Unilever cannot afford to ignore the emerging threats from a wide range of a global, regional, and local players. Apart from this, as the succeeding SWOT analysis make it clear. So now looking towards the strength of the Unilever. As we shown in the introduction, it operates in 190 countries. It has a good consumers over worldwide. It has a deep and broad portfolio of brands and diversified product range, which makes it uniquely positioned to tap into the changing consumer preferences across the world. And research and development initiatives are heavily funded and manage to bring the market innovative and cutting edge products in turn and in line with the customer preferences. This means to state that they have a good research and development progress. They up with the cope up with the changing technologies. They make a differentiation with their products. They do daily market analysis. Now, next is Unilever has a distinct competitive advantage over its nearest competitor, Procter and Gamble, because of its flexible pricing and expertise in distribution channels that manage to reach the nook and the corner of the globe. Means to say that it has a very flexible prices. It can be changed anytime according to the requirement, according to the competitive environment. The company finds its strength in leveraging the economies of a scale arising from its breadth of operation as well as synergies between its many manufacturing facilities, which totaled 270 locations around the world at the last count. In the previous analysis, we came to know that it has a in total 270 location Everywhere it's very good manufacturing with a good very qualities. So, hence, we can say that it has maintained its status in the market. Unilever combines global thinking with local execution, which means that it pursues global strategies that it lean win the hearts and minds of consumers. They don't think about a particular country, they think about all the countries, they maintain their reputation in all the countries, they match their tastes according to the consumer, they make the products qualities according to the consumer's requirement in a different countries. Hence we can say that they watch to a globally. Now next.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Weakness of Unilever. The biggest The biggest weakness that Unilever faces is that it operates in an uber competitive market where the other global giants like P&G and Nestle, in addition to a host of local players, challenge its dominance at very turn and raise the stakes in $1 trillion FMCG. Basically, here it says that Unilever has a huge competitive competition in the global market where the companies like P&G and Nestle have a really very high domination in the market, due to which it can be a biggest drawback or weakness for Unilever. The other weakness is that its products can easily be replaced with substitutes, especially in the emerging markets in Africa and Asia, where the rural consumers in the hinterland often use traditional and natural alternatives to the products that Unilever markets. It is the really biggest drawback that it can be. Wait. That products can easily be replaced by other products. They have all the substitutes, the all the products that Unilever produces. They have substitutes of all the products. Next. With the advent of opportunities of Unilever, with the advent of globalization, of the proliferation of global media, consumers in the emerging markets are aspiring to Western lifestyles, and this means that Unilever has a tremendous opportunity waiting for it as it taps into the large and diversified consumer base that wants to join the league of Westerns in taste and preference of consumer goods. Nowadays, it's a trend that people are consuming and adopting Western lifestyles. So the products that Unilever produces has a really very dominating impact for the consumers in their minds. Apart from that, capturing the newly affluent $1 trillion consumers in China and India means that it has a golden opportunity to leverage this huge and growing consumer base, which often tries to imitate and mimic the consumerist preference in material West. The emergence of the health conscious consumer in developed world means that Unilever can seize the opportunity to the market to this segment with its existing and yet to be launched product range that especially geared for the health conscious consumer. Here, Unilever targets the consumers who are health conscious, and they produces the goods like they manufacture is goods or products that really health conscious, that really good for the health of the consumer who are health conscious. Also, the products they are going to launch is targeted to the consumer that are health conscious. Unilever has a good track record of social and environment responsibility, and with the emergence of the ethical chic consumer who like to buy and consume products and brands that are responsibly made and sustainably complete.
Next, Dhruvi. So maybe Dhruvi is not present.
Have you tried to contact her?
Yes,
No,
sir.
I'm here only.
Oh, you are here? Yeah, please.
Yes. Okay, so I'm going to present the threats and conclusion of Unilever. The ongoing global economic crisis has several dented the profitability of many FMCG companies, and Unilever is no exception. With the shrinking of the disposable incomes of the global consumer, they are buying less and insisting on more value for their money or more bang for their buck. This means that Unilever faces the threat of diminished revenues and increasing costs, which is like a double whammy to its top line and bottom line. Though we had mentioned that Unilever succeeds and scores over P&G in the CSR or the corporate social responsibility aspect, the increased awareness among the global consumers has turned the harsh glare into each and every strategic move that the company makes. Some practices of the company have been criticized, which means that Unilever has to ensure that it sustains and maintains its focus, especially when the spotlight is on it. As mentioned earlier, Unilever operates in a market segment where local products and alternatives to its brands uh, proliferate, especially in the emerging markets, and hence it faces a threat from smaller and more nimble local upstarts who can provide more value for lesser money without the associated costs that global giants like Unilever incur. The entry of Asian multinationals into the global arena has upped the ante for Unilever and raised the stakes in the global game for dominance in the FMCG market segment. This means that you of having to battle not only recessionary blues but also emerging threats from this new age and new breed of competition from Asian conglomerates that are beginning to spread their wings internationally. Conclusion: Unilever has been in the business of consumer fulfillment for many decades, and hence we are confident that it can tide over the present gloomy conditions in the FMCG segment. Having said that, we conclude the article with a cautionary note of not taking the threat from the Asian FMCG majors lightly, as they understand the continent better and at the same time are mastering the intricacies of the global marketplace. Thank you.
Next is Ayushi.
Yes, so introduction of Walmart. Walmart is an American multinational retail corporation that operates a chain of hypermarkets, discount department stores, and grocery stores from the United States, headquartered in Bentonville, Arkansas. The company was founded by Sam Walton in nearby Rogers, Arkansas in 1962 and incorporated under Delaware General Corporation Law on October 31, 1969. It also owns the operates Sam's Club retail warehouses. As of April 29, 2021, Walmart has 10,526 stores and clubs in 24 countries operating under 48 different names. The company operates under the name Walmart in the United States and Canada, as Walmart de Mexico, Central America in Mexico and Central America and as Flipkart Wholesale in India. It has wholly owned operations in Chile, Canada, and South Africa. Walmart is the world's largest company by revenue, with US $548.743 billion according to the Fortune Global 500 list in 2020. It is also the largest private employer in the world with 2.2 million employees. It is a publicly traded family-owned business as the company is controlled by the Walton family. Strengths of Walmart. Global organization size. As we know, Walmart is popular in global area, global supply chain. They supplies in whole country, every whole country. High efficiency of supply chain. Walmart's global organizational size gives the business deep pockets to fund growth and expansion. The global supply chain also provides business resilience from market-specific risks, such as disruptions in local supply chains. In addition, Walmart's supply chain has high efficiency because of advanced technologies for monitoring and controlling the movement of products from suppliers to its stores. Thank you.
Next is Anastasia.
I think she's not there.
Sir, one international student is not present, Anastasia.
So anyone would like to present on behalf of her?
Yes, sir, me and Srushti will present her part.
Yeah, sure. I appreciate.
Yeah. So now looking towards the weakness of the Walmart, this weakness are directly related to the company's generic strategy and its implication in business development capabilities, resources, and profit margins. We can say that Walmart has a very thin margin profit and it can be easily copied business model. Why it can be easily copied? Because Walmart, we all know, is just an kind of an hypermarket. We also have here an example like a Big Bazaar, Bling Mart. So we can say that Walmart can be easily business model copied. Now, the competitive disadvantage against a high-end specialty sellers, thin profit margins are typically effect to using the cost leadership strategy. Because Walmart minimizes selling price, it also needs to minimize profit margin and rely more on a sales volume. It says like we haven't that discounting offers like things in 99, 199. So basically, they need to reduce their profit margins when they reduce direct cost. The cost leadership strategy also makes Walmart's business model easy to copy. As I explained in the above, the firm does not have a significant competitive differentiator except for his business size and prices. Furthermore, high-end specialty retailers have the upper hand in attracting quality-seeking buyers who have low sensitivity to price. That they mainly see that we consumers need a lower price. If it's 100 we don't go for that, but if it's 99 we go for that. Basically this could be said that's the low sensitivity to price. Thus the weakness presented in this SWOT analysis of a Walmart reflect business vulnerability to innovative competitors and disruptions in the industry environment, especially in the presence of major e-commerce firms like Amazon. Next is the opportunities. Shrishti, please kindly.
Opportunities. Yes. Opportunities of Walmart. Walmart's opportunities are mainly about expansion and improving business practices. These opportunities are linked to the global economic situation. Also, the human resource situation in the organization presents issues that are actually opportunities for the firm to improve. In this portion of the SWOT analysis of Walmart's opportunities are expansion in developing countries. We know that Walmart have its franchises in different countries which are developed countries. Improvement in human resource practices to develop competitiveness in the labor market and in quality standards. The quality standards of Walmart is very high and it is maintained as it is India's number one, we can say, supermarket in the world. Walmart's opportunities to expand in developing countries is based on their high growth economic condition. On the other hand, the opportunities in practices directly related to the criticism on the company's employment practices. Improving these practices can attract higher quality workers relative to the other retailers. Walmart's opportunities to improve quality standards addresses consumers' concern on the health effects of using low cost and sometimes low quality products.
Next is Jay.
Threats to Walmart are healthy lifestyle trend, aggressive competition, online retailer of various sizes. The healthy threat lifestyle is a threat and an opportunity. It threatens Walmart business because many of the companies are perceived as not as healthful, not organic, or not natural. It is an opportunity for the company to improve its quality standards. However, this sector is more of a threat because the retail giant currently does not prioritize helpful products in its store. Aggressive competition is another threat because Other large retailers could use aggressive marketing strategy to capture Walmart customers. Also, small scale and large scale sellers are a threat against the company retail business. Though the internet small sellers or individuals are able to compete and bypass the company presence by using their own website to sell products to online consumers.
Hello. Conclusion of Walmart. All in all, by implementing these three important strategies successfully, Walmart has become from a single store to the biggest retailer in the US and to the biggest company in the world. The cost management strategy of Walmart will create an operational model with a lower cost which will increase the margin of profit on the financial statement. Moreover, the growth management strategy has dragged Walmart into the right direction of investment and expanded radically around the
बेटा
distributor.
अपना वीडियो ऑन करो, टर्न ऑन योर वीडियो.
And around the distribution center. Lastly, the people management strategy inspire all associates to work more efficiency and creates a great workplace environment which full of self-improvement and competition and respects. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Anastasia and Mehul was present today.
Both are absent, right? Mehul is also absent.
Mehul has some network issue because he lives nearby the village. So
Okay. Yeah, so that's all from your side, girls.
yes,
Girls
sir.
and
We are done, sir. Thank you.
yeah, okay, great. I appreciate your efforts, good presentation, and the information that you have gathered. And one extra marks for Nishita and Srushti for handling the portion of Anastasia.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, good
Thank
going.
you,
Keep
sir.
it up. Now the next group is of Sapna.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, are you ready, guys? These are
Sir,
the
one
group
minute.
members: Sapna, Rutika, Tirth, Abhiraj, Parth, Zankhana, Nandini, Jay, and Zil. Okay, so who is going to lead this presentation?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Tirth.
So our presentation is Word file. We didn't did in PPT.
बेटा प्रेजेंटेशन तो हमेशा पीपीटी फॉर्म में જ હોય ને यार.
हाँ सर, वो सर थोड़ा गलती हो गया सर, वर्ड फाइल में हो
थोड़ा
गया अभी.
मतलब इतना बड़ा गलती यार.
सर
आप
क्या करें
शादी
सर.
करने जा रहे हो, आप डाइवोर्स लेके आ रहे हो यार, ये कैसे डाइजेस्ट होगा?
Sir, can we present tomorrow?
नो, नॉट एट ऑल.
तो सर वर्ड
अरे
फाइल
सर,
में
we
अभी.
want to present offline. इससे ऑनलाइन में मजा नहीं आएगा.
सर
नहीं,
ऑनलाइन
अभी
में ही
ऐसा है
मजा
तो
है,
आप
ऑनलाइन
ऑनलाइन
में.
प्रेजेंट कर दो
पार्ट टू
टुमारो या
रेवा
फिर.
दे.
हाँ, देखो काफी सारे लोग हैं जिसको सिर्फ पढ़ना ही है. पीपीटी सामने आ गई, रीड इट आउट, अपना काम हो गया, मार्क्स मिल गए, 2 मार्क्स, दैट्स इट.
जी सर, so we want to present offline.
ऑफलाइन भी लेंगे,
नहीं
डोंट
सर,
वरी, वी हैव इनफ टाइम. यस तीर्थ, कोई बात नहीं, अपनी वर्ड फाइल शेयर करो. मेक श्योर जिसका भी टर्न हो उसको वीडियो ऑन करना है.
ओके सर.
या तीर्थ, प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
हाँ सर, द सर विल लीड अस. ओके सर.
या प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Sir, no chance to present tomorrow.
No dear, you have to present today only. We have scheduled entire, that's why.
Steve, you can start.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Abhiraj.
So we are with the SWOT analysis. Wait, I need to turn on the camera. So we are with the SWOT analysis of globally two company, namely Volkswagen and Apple. And we are in the group of 9, me, Abhiraj, Sapna, Vrutika, Tirth, Jil, Jankna, Nandini, Parth, and Jay. So let's start with the introduction of Volkswagen. Volkswagen Group, also known as Volkswagen AG, a major automobile manufacturer founded by the German government in 1937. And their main target was to price less to attract the less. Just, just a second, sir. I'm having network issue.
Okay, take your time.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible.
Volkswagen is an Volkswagen AG major consulting business with the auto manufacturer, and it is founded by the German government itself in 1937 uh, to mass product a low price people's car headquartered in Wolfsburg, German. Here are the details of the company. Name Volkswagen, founder German Labor Front, year founded 20th May 1937, and CEO is Albert Dies. And the firm or business is concerned with the passenger car, commercial vehicles, motorcycle engines, turbo engines, banking, finance, insurance, and leasing. Main competitor of the firm are Toyota, then General Motors, Chevrolet, Ford, Tesla, and many more. Now, Volkswagen strength. Excellent brand recognition. Sir, none of us will don't know the name Volkswagen, and it has its very brand value on international market itself. The Volkswagen logo also identify its brand value than strong finance performance. As Volkswagen is having strong finance performance, they come with flexible and ability to do anything before their competition. And according to Forbes, as per the May 2020, Volkswagen is ranked. Sapna, can you scroll down? Is ranked 8th in sales, 37th in profitability, 17th in terms of assets, and 133 in terms of market value. World's best employer. According to Forbes, Volkswagen is ranked 31st position in the world's best employee list of the 2019. And according to the latest survey, Volkswagen is having 6,62,575 employees currently. Impressive portfolio. Volkswagen deals and acquires many luxurious car brands, namely Lamborghini to Bugatti, Bentley, Audi, Skoda. Wait. Scroll up. Skoda, Porsche, and many these icons and part of Volkswagen portfolio. And many sports car and luxury brands deals with or collabs with Volkswagen. Now Parth will explain the Volkswagen weaknesses.
Volkswagen weakness ઉપર તો કર કોણ કરે weakness કીધું રાજીવ ઉપર કર નીચે કર નીચે
Part of the weakness, but screen share.
હે weakness. હું બોલે સમજાતું. અરે મારે વીકનેસ છે ઉપર કર. અચ્છા રેડી. Emission scandal strained reputation. In September 2015, Volkswagen's reputation as one of the most trusted auto manufacturing was strained with the revelations that it installed the software in its car to cheat emission tests. As a result of the diesel emissions scandal, Volkswagen was penalized to pay over 13 billion euro in fine in various countries and has struggled to regain the trust of consumer. Second, lack of diversification. While it has a impressive portfolio that a company in focus on producing car for sale. Millennials and Gen Z are the present and future, but they prefer of ride share, car share, and car rental. This make Volkswagen's lack of diversity a major weakness. Joy. જય જોબન પુત્ર. જયનો વારો નથી જોઈન થયો.
Okay, so Jay is not present, I think so. So I will take tier 4 points.
Okay, good. I appreciate.
Okay. Volkswagen opportunities. Diversified portfolio. As more and more millennials enter the marketplace, the demand for simple, cheap, and flexible mobility will increase. Focus on eco-friendly cars. The number of eco-conscious consumers is increasing rapidly across the world. Volkswagen can invest more in the manufacturing of hybrid and electricity cars to exploit the growing demand. In next 5 years, Volkswagen has set aside 60 billion pounds for the expansion of its electric cars. Expand in emerging market. The automobile market is in the development world is saturated with a very little gain to be made. It is time to tap into the growing purchasing power of a middle class in Asia, Africa, the Middle East, and the Latin America. Tap to autonomous market. The demand for self-serving cars is poised to increasing rapidly in the next few years as technology like 5G, AI, and road delivered smarter cities and transportation networks. Okay. After this, the Volkswagen traits is explained by me. Sapna, can you scroll down? Uh, Sapna, scroll up. First and second point is not signed. Okay, okay, okay. Got it. Ongoing. Got it. Scroll up. Okay. Ongoing lawsuits. सपना फर्स्ट पॉइंट નથી દેખાતો. Okay. Ongoing lawsuits. Volkswagen is engaged in emission lawsuits in several countries in the Europe, United Kingdom, France, and the United States, which each loss costing millions. Volkswagen profits are threatened by impending court's ruling. Increasing competition. The auto industry is highly competitive with new car makers like Tesla, Zora, and Koenigsegg. Garbini. Market share from Volkswagen electric and high-end sports cars, while feeding off old rivals such as Toyota, Ford, Hyundai, and Nissan. Also, now there is additional competition from ride-sharing companies such as Uber, Lyft, Ola, Didi, etc. Okay, scroll down, Sapna. Okay. Stringent environment regulation. As As the threat posed by climate increase, government will increase focus on reducing their greenhouse gas emissions and carbon footprint with stringent environmental regulation. Just like a COVID needs critical, Volkswagen emission and operation will be scrutinized more observably by compliance and auditors. Controversial advertisement. Volkswagen was criticized for posting a racist advertisement video on its Instagram channel. Later, this ad was removed and Volkswagen sent an apology in a separate statement. Okay, thank you. The Apple will be introduced by Sapna.
Okay, so Apple is a company which was founded in 1966. Its headquarters is in California, US. It is a public company and the the product provide on what is accessible. Sapna, it's not audible.
Someone please inform her.
સપના તારો વોઇસ ક્લિયર નથી.
Call her and inform her.
ના કઈક બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ અવાજ આવે છે આમ. સરખો અવાજ નથી આવતો તારો.
રીજોઈન કરવાનું કે ને વાંધો નહીં આવે. લેફ્ટ કરીને રીજોઈન કરશે ને એટલે થઈ જશે.
તું લાસ્ટ કરજે હું ને
સપના રીઝન થઈ જાય એકવાર.
હું ને ઝંખના કરી લઈ ને પછી અમે કોક પ્રેઝન્ટ કરશું તું બોલજે એટલે વાંધો નહીં આવે તું બે કરસ ને એટલે નથી સંભળાતું.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, audible now.
Yeah.
Okay, sir, I will lead the strength.
Yeah, good. Please continue.
So we all know that Apple is an American company, multinational company who specializes in. Sir, is it audible?
Yeah, it's audible. Please continue.
So American is the largest company which is specialized in mobiles and technology and consumers satisfaction. Since 2021 January, it is the most valuable company in the world. Now, Apple's strength, most valuable brand. Apple is ranked first from the eighth consecutive year by Interbrand with a brand value of $322 billion. Globally iconic. Apple is one of the most reliable company when it comes to personalized advanced computers and technology devices. It has millions of lawyers customers with steady increment. Top technology. Apple was the first to introduce some of the most innovative one of the most innovative products that have changed the world, iPhones and iPads. Apple is still determined to build and craft better, more proficient technology devices. Proficient research. Apple puts dedication. Sapna, can you please go? Okay. Apple puts dedication into its product design carefully. Carefully study is initiated and further research is performed to help understand customer needs and requirements. And one of the most powerful strengths of the Apple is that it has the world's best security in its software. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, so now who left for presentation except Sapna?
Sir, there is two girls, Nandini and Jankhana, and then Sapna, and there are three topics left.
Okay, yeah, please continue.
Shall I present any last because
The businesses
again, your
will be
voice.
lead by Jankhana and then Nandini and then last Sapna.
Okay, done. Not an issue. Yeah, please, just a second. Those who have done with the presentations, please mark your attendance and they can leave. The others group can leave because it's a break time. You have another session for the stipulated time. So those who have done with their presentations, they can leave, mark your attendance and you may leave. Rest, please be online. Yeah, please continue now.
Rutika, can you scroll upwards? It's opportunities.
Jankhana Sapna is presenting.
Okay. Didi.
the opportunities are changed.
Sapna, scroll to weaknesses. It's her topic.
Please make it fast. Your voice is not audible. You do one thing, rest first, let others complete. Janknaba and Nandini, let them complete.
Sir, I'll present the screen and Sapna, Nandini, and Jankhana will give the presentation.
Done, good.
Sir, is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, Sapna will lead with weaknesses, then Jankhana with opportunity, and Nandini threats. Sapna?
Sapna, you are not audible.
Now am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So the Apple's weaknesses are like it has the highest price product. So the main problem of purchasing Apple phones is their price, and they start stopping production of the products which gets older. Like now we don't get iPhone 7, 6 or anything such. So it's their weakness. Then limited advertisement and promotions. They don't bring out more promotional activities. They show their loyalty to the customers which they have. So mostly it's like they produce products for their loyal customers only. They have least interest in further addition of the customers. It seems so. Um, incompatibility with other software. So while using Apple products, you cannot use other Apple products does not
Can you
support
please
other
turn on your video?
Okay, sir. Apple product does not produces any Apple products does not support any other software or technologies. So it's also their limitation or weaknesses and allegation of tracking. Tracking is used. Apple has a feature of tracking the location of the person, which also becomes limitation or weaknesses at some point of time. So that's it.
So now Apple's opportunities. Um, so Apple's opportunities are as follows. First is consistent customer growth. As Apple is a dominating company, they are providing high quality to the customers. So many customers are also willing to buy Apple phones. Now trend is going on that all want Apple phones only. So the customers of Apple company are still growing. Second is qualified professionals. Apple is such a company which required a high number of professionals regarding their software, regarding their security, regarding their phone quality, etc. So they have their opportunities is getting qualified professional and doing with them and increasing their brand name and value for their company. Third is expansive distribution network. Apple is such a company which is expanded over all over the world and all are dominating over Apple. So their opportunities is that they are as they are all over the world, they have opportunities of getting customers from all over the world and increasing their profit by that. Fourth is deliver self-driving software technology. As they are running their own software, so they are self-dominating. That they does not need uh, any other company or any other person to drive their software or any issue occurs regarding their software. There are no issues regarding that. So thank you for that. Sir, now Nandini will be presenting.
Yeah, please continue.
Apple's threat coronavirus outbreak. Apple is highly dependent on China for its manufacturing and supply chain. In addition, about 14.5% of its 274 billion in revenue for China. The outbreak has significantly affected and may continue to disrupt Apple sales in fiscal year 2021. Apple products print on their products
Turn
as
on your video.
designed in California by Apple and assembled in China. So the coronavirus breakdown affected Apple.
Nandini,
So
please turn on your video.
sorry, sir, but yesterday my phone fell into water, so the camera broke.
Okay.
Supply chain disruption. The recent events have significantly affected and disrupted its operation. In reported flat revenue in Q2 of 2020 and declined to offer annual revenue estimates for year 2020 due to supply chain uncertainties. Apple bullied by counterfeiters. Apple has become vulnerable to third world countries illegally utilizing the brand image to sell counterfeit products. In some of the company they are illegally using Apple and selling their products. The illegal dealers sell Apple counterfeit products at the same value as an original Apple product. So, in some countries, they design duplicate Apple products and use their brand image and sell the products.
increasing competition. Although Apple as a brand has solidified itself, it still faces threats from competitors. With the advancement in technology, brands like Samsung and Dell are giving Apple tough competition. As Apple has high price of their products, so other companies who are selling their products at a low rate, they are they face competition. As competition is getting stronger, Apple either has to introduce new technologies or revise its pricing policy to stay ahead of its competition. Thank you.
Sir, Jill is not present today.
Okay, she is absent.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have two absent. First is Jay, and the second one is Zil.
Yes, sir.
Done, chalo. So overall good presentation except these network issues and glitches. Otherwise it was good. The companies that you have selected is also good. Little bit synchronization अगर आप लोग ने किया होता तो वो काफी अच्छा रहता. And I know you guys, even I was expecting it in offline mode, but अभी नहीं हो पा रहा है तो then it's fine. So overall it's good. Virtual clippings for you guys and girls. Good work. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, done. Please mark your attendance and you may leave.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, this is Anastasia.
yes.
Sir, I was supposed to join to do my presentation for the first group with Nishita, but I had some network problem. I couldn't join at all. So I thought maybe we don't have class at all. That's why
Yeah,
I
please
couldn't
continue.
present.
Yeah, please continue with your part very quickly.
Sorry?
Whatever the portion is there for you to present, you please
Yeah.
present it right now.
Okay, right now. Okay, let me present it.
Yeah, very quickly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please continue. Turn on your video and continue.
Yes, sir, I'm just going to share the screen. Sir, I cannot share my video while sharing my screen.
Yeah, that's fine. Please continue.
Okay, is my screen visible?
Yes, it's visible.
So my name is Anastasia. I'm in the group with Nishita, the first group. Our presentation was about SWOT analysis of Walmart and Unilever. So my part of presentation was supposed to be weakness and opportunity of Walmart. So I'm going to just explain about the weaknesses and the opportunities of Walmart. So we know Walmart is like we can say it's a really big retail, like they are really big retailers. For them, they offer like different kind of products in one place. So the weaknesses of this Walmart are directly related to the company's generic strategy and the implications in its business development, capabilities, resources, and even profit margins. So first of all, first of the weaknesses of Walmart is thin profit margins. So even though Walmart is termed to be like big retail company, but they still have thin profit margins. This is because they offer like their products. They try to look for the different kind of products and put them there. For them, quality is not the first priority. For them, it's just to sell the products to get it to the people. So sometimes that's why they get thin profit margins. Also easily copied business models. So for Walmart, it's a big retailer, like a big place, like we can say it's a big hypermarket, like they put a lot of products in one place. So this kind of business model can be easily copied with other with other companies. Like as we can see now, not only Walmart is available, but we have really big places which they do like Walmart. For example, here in India, we have like Reliance, we have like Big Bazaar. If you go to other states, there is even more bigger ones than Walmart. But that's why we say this kind of business is easily copied. Also, competitive advantage against high-end specialty retailers. So for Walmart, also there is a high competitive advantage because as I said, there are other businesses who are trying to compete with Walmart or are offering the same products as Walmart. So for Walmart, for them, quality of the product is not the very big main, but they try to just sell as much as possible and at the lowest prices, so that like they just want to make the products available to the customers. Also, thin profit margins are a typical effect of using the cost leadership strategy. If you remember in class, you taught us about cost, or we learned about cost leadership strategy. So Walmart minimizes the prices, and it also needs to minimize the profit margins. So they rely more. They rely more on the sales volume. For them, they rely more on the cost leadership strategy because they try to rely more on the sales volume. Also, the cost leadership strategy makes Walmart model easy to copy. It makes it very easy to copy for other businesses. So the competitive advantage becomes very high. The firm does not have significant competitive differentiators except for the business size and prices. Furthermore, high-end specialty retailers have the higher hand in attracting the quality-seeking buyers who have low sensitivity to prices. Therefore, these weaknesses are presented in the SWOT analysis of which are presented in the SWOT analysis of Walmart reflect the business vulnerability to innovative competitors and disruption in the industry environment. So especially in the presence of major e-commerce firms like Amazon. So these are some of the weaknesses which make Walmart become a little bit less, like make it more or less competitive in the business environment. Opportunities of Walmart. Here we're talking mainly about the expansion and improving business practices of Walmart. So these opportunities, they are linked to the global economic situation. Am I still audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Now please conclude.
Yes, sir. So I was saying about the opportunities. Like first of all, in Walmart, first of all, it aims in expansion in developing countries. It has become such a big retailer that they're thinking of expanding to other big countries. Like also other like they're going to expand in other places, not only where it is right now, but in other places also. So also improvement in human resource practices to develop competitiveness in the labor market and the standards. Also, the Walmart's opportunity to expand in developing countries is based on their high growth economic condition. So their expansion is based on their high growth economic condition. If it is also good, then they will expand much more further to very much big areas. On the other hand, the opportunities of HR practices directly relate to the criticisms on the company's employment practices. So improving these practices can attract higher qualities workers relative to other retailers. If they improve these qualities, then it will really impact the changes to other retailers. It will not be easy to copy even. So Walmart's opportunity to improve the quality standards addresses the consumer's needs on the health effects of using low cost and sometimes using low quality products. So thank you, sir. That's what I was supposed to present.
Sir, can you stop the recording? We have to discuss something.
Yeah, just a minute. Anastasia, it was really very nice performance, and I'm really happy that you came last, but it was good performance and deserving clappings. Good one. Keep it up.
Thank you. Thank you.